Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will explain the different settings in the email editor. I am going to skip to the review and edit content step to an email that I already started to create. I am then going to select a template, click on branded templates, and then click on full article. To the top right, you will see a tab called Settings. Here, you will be able to make changes to the configuration of your email. You may decide that you would like to change the alignment of the content, and so you can choose to keep the alignment to the left or center. The background colors refer to the color outside of the email itself. If you do change it, try to choose a color that will make the content and images of the email stand out. Also, be mindful of the colors in your firm logo at the top of your email. You can also change the color behind the content as well. You can choose to change the font style of your email. Once clicked, you will be able to search through the different styles that are available to use. Once selected, the text will automatically change to that particular style. Lastly, you can change the colors of the links in your email. Once you click on the text box, the color palette will appear, prompting you to select a new color